Welcome back to another weekly vlog. It's Monday. I just finished creating some content styling this onesie. I got this off of TikTok Shop, and the jacket too. They're both from PacSun. I love this outfit, especially with the bows on this side. It's so dark coquette. I still have some more content to film, so I'm gonna do that before I go to Target, and I'm finally gonna pick up these storage bins that I have been saying that I was gonna get for the longest time, but I don't know why it's taken me so long to get them. But my cabinets are just so filthy and disorganized that I need to get these bins. It's just out of hand. Like, I'll show you what it looks like. It's embarrassing. This is the current status of my bathroom right now. It's super chaotic. I washed my hair today. There's just skincare products and hair care products everywhere. A couple of vlogs ago, I tried to reorganize this cabinet and it just didn't happen because I didn't get the proper bins. I tried to get some on TikTok Shop, but that fell through. So I'm gonna get some today finally. And this is what we're working with. So I did organize it, believe it or not. I like took everything out, wiped it down, and this is just what's happened over time. I got this off TikTok Shop last month and it's just so big. It's not even functional. Like, I tried to put my products on it, but just like the way I have to reach all the way back in here to get stuff. What is that? I think I'm gonna throw those out. These are them. They're only $20, which is a great deal. Especially after I went to the Container Store, I saw some that were going for $80. That's just ridiculous in my opinion. I mean, they were nice, but $80, that's crazy. So I wasn't sure what color I was gonna get. I was in between the black and the white, but I think I'm gonna go with the white just because my cabinets are white. I feel like it'll just blend better. But now I'm like, should I get the black? I think the white will look clean, and I measured there's enough space to fit two side by side right here. I'm not sure about the bottom. Daylight savings was this past weekend and the sun is doing different things now, so I'm just waiting for it to come back out. I was about to film some content and then it just disappeared, so I need to relearn this schedule again. The lighting sucks in here right now, but when the sun comes back out, I'll be ready to shoot this. So I just mapped these outfits out. This is my first time collabing with Touchland, and I just smelled some of these for the first time. They smell so freaking good. My favorite is the watermelon so far. This is a really fun collab because I'm matching my outfit to whichever hand sanitizer I choose. So I plan on doing this pink one right here. I wanted to do the watermelon, but the watermelon is more of a red. So I'm gonna do the pink one, and this one came with a little case. It has like a keychain, so cute. So this is the outfit I just picked out for that one, and I just tried on these shoes with these socks because online the model was wearing these like same exact socks, and I'm like, I don't know if I like that. It looks a little weird. I mean, like, obviously it looks weird right now because this is just not an outfit. I'm not sure if I should wear the shoes with or without the socks, but just imagine it with the skirt, and I think it'll look cute with the socks, right? I mean, like I said, the model had it on. That's the only reason why I got this idea. I'm like, is that cute or am I tripping? Out of these three, I'm choosing this one, and I feel like my cardigan almost matches it perfect. So I love this outfit. I'm gonna pair it with my pink Converse. It's Tuesday, about 7 p.m. I've been filming and editing content all day. I'm honestly just mentally exhausted, but I want to get to this cabinet since I bought this stuff yesterday at Target, and I ended up spending like $160. I got a bunch of like random stuff, but these weren't too bad. I ended up getting two of the $20 drawers. I have one in the other room, and then one $35 drawer. So I have them right here. And I am about to just empty these out and get organized. So let's do it. I tried to recreate Delaney's viral messy bun, but I feel like I probably should have put this higher on top of my head. And something about it just doesn't look right to me. Like, I feel like I need to try it one more time. I spent like a good 30 minutes on it, but Yeah, I'm not in love with it. This is like the curly version. If you don't know Delaney, she's a content creator too, and she posts like hair, beauty, lifestyle content, and her messy bun went viral recently, so I've been wanting to recreate it, and I finally did it today, but I don't like how it came out. Okay, so that fits. Hallelujah. It's about 30 minutes later, and that didn't take long at all. I love the way it came out. This looks so much better, and I even reorganized this drawer because it got messy since the last time I did it. I have my hair care products in these ones, and then I just put my scrunchies and hair ties right here. I got these new ones from Target yesterday. They're specifically for curly hair, and I love the material. These ones are way better than your average hair ties. These ones eventually break. Like, you can see right here, wherever they're connected, if you go to make like a tight ponytail, that's where they'll split open. Whereas these ones don't have that. So if anything, they'll just like loosen up over time, but they won't snap on you. So I love these. This one's kind of an extra one. I just put my face wipes and my brush cleaner tool right there. And then this one's like scalp care products, a little bit of miscellaneous stuff, all of my face masks. And then I put some hair care and face stuff up here. And then my LED mask. I feel like I need to like hang it right here or something, but yeah. It just looks so much better. When I was at Target, I picked up this cup holder. How freaking cute is this? And then I also just ordered another cup just like this off of Amazon, except it has, I think it's pink roses on it. So I'm excited to display that on here as well. But I feel like I've been needing something like this to display my coffee mugs on, especially because they're so pretty. I don't like hiding them away in the cabinets. It was only $20 at Target, and then I picked this up. I still need to take the price tag off. It was actually on sale for like $3 and something cents, and I think it looks so cute right next to my little coffee area right here. I just finished unboxing my Skims order. I haven't tried this on yet, but since I loved the last one so much, I went ahead and ordered this onesie. I hope I love it just as much. It has like a little built-in bra. If it didn't have this, then I wouldn't have got it, but I was like, okay, this was a huge selling point for me because my girls need a little bit of help. So I hope it fits nice. And this was expensive. This was like $80. So this was definitely another treat yourself moment. I need to chill on the spending. I just wanted to get it before it sold out, and I get so much use out of my other one. So Happy Thursday. I got a bunch of packages in the mail yesterday, so I need to do some unboxings today. I'm really excited about this one because this is a new vanity mirror that I got off of TikTok Shop. I'll show you what my makeup area looks like right now. It is so bad. And I just got some more packages delivered too, so that's pretty much what I'm gonna be doing all day today. I'm really sore from yesterday morning's workout, so I took the morning off today from working out. I'll just end up walking later today to get my steps in. I'm charging my camera right now because it was about to die, but I'm gonna get straight into setting up my vanity right now. This is the before, so I haven't even cleaned anything off yet. I am just living in filth right now, but the state of my drawers is just a mess. So I need to clean this off, which I'm gonna do before I unbox my mirror right now. I just wanted to show you the reality of it all. This is the primary mirror that I use when I get ready day to day. I have it pulled up to the front. And then when I film my content right here, I use this mirror so I can see what I'm filming and make sure that I'm in view. So it's super janky. The vanity mirror that I ordered also swivels. I made sure to get the one that moves too so I could use it for the same thing. So hopefully that works. Here's the after. I had some difficulty setting it up because I put the bottom part on upside down at first on accident, so that was a little annoying because I had to unscrew and then rescrew everything. But other than that, I love it. The lighting isn't as bright as I was expecting it to be, but that's fine because I have my studio lights and I planned on continuing to use those. But I love how it has this little ledge for my phone right here, so like when I'm getting ready, I can watch YouTube videos or I can even film. I just turned all of my lights on and I think it's gonna work just fine. Yay, that took me way too long. That took like an hour out of my day. I didn't think it was gonna take this long, but now I need to start unboxing everything else that I got in the mail. I saw this pink seashell jewelry holder on TikTok, so I ordered it off of Amazon and I did not expect it to be this big. I thought it was gonna be a lot smaller, but I'm so happy it's bigger than I thought it was gonna be because it just makes it that much better in my opinion. Like, I didn't think I was gonna be able to hold that much jewelry in it, but this is just so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh. I don't even think it was that expensive either. And I've been needing another jewelry holder because I have one in my room, one in my bathroom, and I feel like I need one next to my makeup. But I feel like I need one in every room at this point. But yes, I love it. It just helps me not lose or misplace anything. So definitely an essential. I just unboxed this Spotify plaque that I got off TikTok Shop, and this is so much nicer than I thought it was gonna be. I didn't even think it was gonna be this big. So it plugs in, but it's also wireless. Like, it's not plugged in right now, and it had a charge when I opened it, which is nice. But I love how it lights the picture up. Everything was super easy and customizable. Like, I was able to pick the picture I wanted and the song. This is our first dance song. And then you get to pick at like what point in the song you want it to be at. So I did 2:42, and that's exactly like where my husband lifted me up for our dance. This is getting me in my feels, and our 2-year anniversary is next month. It's so perfect. Happy Friday. It's another gloomy day, but I'm not gonna let that stop me from creating content. I just got done filming this cute onesie that I got off of TikTok Shop. I have 3 more outfits that I want to shoot, but I think I'm gonna save this one for a sunny day because I really wanted to get some content in this at the Rose Garden. I got this in the mail a couple of days ago off of TikTok Shop because it went viral because all of the girlies were saying that it's a dupe for the Burberry Her Elixir. I'm sorry, I sprayed it on myself and I had like a headache and felt nauseous the whole rest of the day. Like, this does last, but it does not smell exactly like the Burberry Her. It's giving like shampoo in my opinion. Like, this is just not it. And now I don't know what to do with it because I have no use for it. I think I just might throw it away because it's just, I don't even like the smell like that. So this is not a dupe in my opinion. I've smelled the Burberry Her Elixir. It does smell really good. My bestie has it, but this is not it. I just finished trying these shorts on. I love this color. I'm obsessed with these shorts. They're like $20 on TikTok. The quality, the fit, everything. These are my new favorite shorts. I'm in love. And I love this outfit that I put together. I was sent this viral coffee table from TikTok Shop, so my husband and I are about to put it together right now. It's about an hour later and we finally got it set up. It took us a while. When you order something from TikTok Shop like this, you have to put every little thing together piece by piece, and it's so time consuming, but it's worth it. I mean, it's cheap, I'm not gonna lie. It's not the best quality. You get what you pay for, but I mean, it does the job. There's a little nook on both sides so you can store things. We have our remotes in there, and then this comes up. I wish it was a little bit bigger so my husband and I could both eat on it, but I think it's more for one person. And then you have storage inside, which is really cool. This table went viral on TikTok and it also comes in black. And then I ended up moving our little Spotify plaque up here. My husband and I are about to go to the gym. I hope you have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this vlog, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're following me on all social platforms and make sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you next week.